Manipur mapalamdagi miyoy kaya masangakpa leptaba amadi coronavirus positive oibagi chang asi nongmunongmagi hengalakpa amadi inaw-naw Chuchampur amadi Bishenpur dagi community spread tawba yabagi mamitari haina miyam nang nganaragliba sige matang nang asi impact news na akana na tijulubada Bishenpur dagi su asumba community spread tawbagi wafam laite haina Bishenpur ki dishina singdokpa laikre adugi su mathakta lana pau sandokpa singdasu miyeng changlagani haibagi wafam amasu lagli aduga nakal amaromda Chuchampur district hospital da isolation ward hangliba asida mathau tawbi nurse to pma coronavirus positive oiki haiba pau simadi achumamakne aduga ngarang ase Chuchampur district gi mioi ani positive oikivani mokoi ani dugi manungda amana Chennai dagi halakhibani aduga amana hariba hospital asida nurse oina isolation ward ta duty tawbi mioi amani.
As of now, we have 24 positive cases. 16 has recovered. And latest last night, we got one positive from a nurse. She's a 40 years old from Bungmul. She's been posted in isolation ward, district hospital. She has been taking care of the COVID suspected patient. Her sample was taken few days back and the results came out last night around 9:30. And another patient is COVID positive is from Besan Nagar, Chennai, who returned to Chuchampur on 24th of May. He has been working in Chennai for the last 10 years. He is right now stable. He doesn't have any symptom, but his family members, his wife, who is 39 years old, and two daughters, 8 years and 6 years old, they are negative. And their co-inmates, their roommates in Silmar Christian Higher Secondary School, 3 of the family members also tested negative.
Chuchampur ki nurse ama positive orakpa sina community spread tawba yabagi mamitare hariba wafam asigi matang nasu akoina Chuchampur district ki mailena bo authority singa wari saba matamda district hospital Chuchampur ki isolation ward ta coronavirus positive oiba mioi thar leram ki madubu lang luba nurse adu positive orakhibani adubu makhoi gi oiba tongan ba quarantine center ama Grace Bible College hariba college asigi hostel da hangnu thammi hari aduga makhoi singa si quarantine center du da 7 days lero matungda 7 days ki matungda coronavirus ti test orga negative oreba khakta makhoi si chatpagi aya pi hari maram aduna Chuchampur district hospital gi nurse ama coronavirus positive oire haiduna su makoina community spread tawi haibasidi haujuk fawbi oinadi haibada try na haiba yakiro haiba wafam ase thamlagli.
Right now, it's very difficult to say whether we are in a stage of community transmission. But as far as the updates of COVID is concerned, we have 24 cases. 22 are from Chennai returnees, 1 from our hospital staff, a nurse who is posted in isolation ward, and another is from a returnee from Guwahati. So as of now, we cannot say that it is a community transmission because most of the cases are clustering cases from Chennai and other returnees. And regarding the nurse, she has been posted in the isolation ward duties, taking care of the suspected COVID patients. But right now, she's in a quarantine center for the nurses. So she has not mingled or mixed up with her family members.
Haujuk fangma pau amadana ngasi mak Imphal International Airport thunglakiba Manipur gi MLA ama quarantine center chatabida mahak masagi quarter da direct chatki habigi pausu lagli adubu hariba wafam sing asida lengang na kadai fawo miyeng changli bagi habidudi makhata na ngai minaki bitari adubu Manipur gi mapandagi lagliba miya masi Manipur da lakpagi ayaba si leireba su makoina laglaba matungda isa na lagudab thodang sing maruina quarantine center da ningthina leibiba amade community spread tawduna ba lengang na kholagliba thorang sing asida ekhoi miyam na cooperate piduna Manipur da community spread lehenda ba haiba wafam asi ekhoi punna ngakpagi tangai fadabadi dumak leiri camera person elka bigolona from jari ba ikitamayum premsan impact news Imphal.